The hopper lock is integral to any grinder. Locked in place and your beans are safe. Left unchecked and you could have a serious bean spillage. You will have one of three types: the new E-Series, the old E-Series, or the F-Series. Remove the screw cap. Insert a flathead screwdriver to turn the locking screw. Turn clockwise to tighten, turn anti-clockwise to release. Turn clockwise to tighten, turn anti-clockwise to release. Locate the locking screw. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn anti-clockwise to loosen, then undo the screw about 1 cm before turning the hopper anti-clockwise to release.